Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to change the background color in Figma. First, open the Figma software. We will start by learning how to change the canvas color, which is the background color behind the frame. To do this, make sure to unselect the frame or not select anything at all. In the right sidebar, under the page section, you will find the color option. Select the color you want for the background. Next, to change the frame color, select the frame and go to the right sidebar in the fill section. Click on the color option and choose your desired color. You can also increase or decrease the opacity here. Additionally, you can select a gradient color or add a pattern or image to your frame's background if you wish. If you want to add a video to your frame, please note that you will need a Figma Professional account to use that feature. Here you can also change the blend mode and check the color contrast. That's it for how to change the background color in Figma. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful and would like to learn more tips and tricks, please consider subscribing to the channel for more informative content. Your support means a lot.